What's up, everybody? It's your boy Fish Nally, also known as Benjamin. I'm here with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to put the suets in the suet container. Which I just got this new, because we got a new bird feeder out back, which I will show you. So you just have to open the suet package, the package that the suet comes in. This is a high energy one. And then you just have to, so right here you just have to pull back and then pull up, and then it's open. You take the suet out of the package, place the suet inside, then you just push down on the lid and you have it. And now, so come over and you're hanging it up. What for me is on this right here. And the birds will come and like see it, and then so now I'm just gonna do a quick little pet update. The light fell over. So here's the pond. Got a new piece of lucky bamboo. Been pretty good. Sorry to cover the camera. So we have the hermit crabs. Those two shells there and there. We've got the mini masterpiece Luna. Hello Luna, how are you? See if I can see any of the pygmy cories or the tetras. Don't see any right now. Oh, wait. Nope. Wait, nope. Yep, there's one. Back there in the plant, that little orangish blob that's moving. That is the tetra. And then let's head on upstairs. Oh, I'll show you the dog. The dog, Ivy. Ivy, I know you've been a bad girl today, but can you at least say hi to the viewers? Come on. Go. Oh yeah, that's cute, Ivy. Okay. She's in the crate right now because she was being mean to the cats and harassing them. So eventually Fortune is going to go into this, and if you don't know who Fortune is, I'll come show you. Fortune, as all of you regular viewers may know, is my crested gecko. It's a little hard to see him, so I'll take off the lid real quick. Now the reason he's in here is because we are currently cleaning out his cage. Well, enclosure. Oh, he left a big turd. That's disgusting. But we usually keep him in a little 2-gallon terrarium right here until he gets old enough for the paludarium. That's when he's about 6 months old. I almost forgot the 29-gallon fish tank. Look at it in all its glory. Admire it. Yes. Oh. Now I did get a butterfly loach yesterday, and if you're wondering what that is, it looks like a little mini, it looks like a cross between a stingray and a pleco, and it acts like a pleco. It like sucks on stuff, you know, like the glass and like rocks and plants and stuff. See if I can find him, but since he's new, he might not be that active. See. Oh, there's Cap, the best dojo loach in the world. I'm not seeing the butterfly loach, so I'm gonna head back downstairs and show y'all the new bird feeder. Sorry the house is so messy. It's just Decided I'd set up the bird feeder today. You know, I'm helping my dad out. So there's the other new bird feeder down there. I'll zoom in for you. Focus that red one down there. Sorry this is so messy, I have it zoomed in all the way. So it's like so sensitive. But I'll zoom back out. So yeah, then I'll show you guys what my view is like for it. This is about how it looks for me. So my dad is down below chopping some branches. Hey Dad, say hi to the viewers.
Hi viewers.
So anyways, this has been your boy Fishionality, and so this has been a fun video to make. I hope you all have a happy, healthy, safe day, and I will see you in another video. Boom.